So here is the table. It's more like a side table, but we will be temporarily using this until I find a table that will fit me, because I've seen a lot of tables and they're super tall. I need one that I will be able to sit, and also a chair, I guess, where I can sit and also be able to use the pedal comfortably. But that's an adventure for another day. Until then, here is what we will be using. Table. Nice extension table. Where did I order this? Install the extension table. Oh, the sewing table. Put it on there. Oh god, I hope I don't break this thing. I really hope I don't break it. Things are actually strong and hard. Okay, there you go. Alright, snap step A of the extension table into B of the machine. Okay, let's see. Oh no, this is probably to have an extension table, because what is this little thing then? Put the sewing table an accessory box off by sliding it to the left. I did that. I don't know. What? I need a video, because this is good, but I need somebody to actually do it on a video, and I can follow those steps better, because this is helpful, yes, but I also need an example, a visual example. I mean, there are visuals here too, but somebody gotta do it so I can see if we follow better. Oh, maybe I need to take this off. Ha! Now it makes sense. I had to break my machine first. Maybe I just didn't follow instructions well. But okay, but now it's not going in. Honestly, this table this table is probably it's not wide enough to support this table, this thing. So maybe I'll just leave it off for the moment and just use the machine by itself. But yo, I'm excited about putting this thing together. It's a pain. Yeah. As it goes this way, use a little insert thing. Anyway, I'm gonna figure this out. And then we got this. There's a lot of clicking. Oh, ho, 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 ho. I did it. I did it. Yeah, but I think you see this one. It extends off, and the table is not wide enough for it to support this. But we did it. Here it is. So now I need to go get some thread. I need to go find some things to put together and try. So there's this little thing, and then there's a pedal. I plugged it there. So we have it. It's all set. It's a little, this table is not wide enough for it, but we move and we do with what we have. Yeah, so I'm excited. I know there's an on button here somewhere. Oh, yeah, this is a thing that goes up and down. I don't know all the parts just yet, but I'll learn the parts with time. And this thing, I don't think it's broken, right? I think it's different parts. I think a few months ago when I went to Intro to Sewing class, the girl, oh, she was amazing. She was so patient. She took her time, taught me every single part, but she's amazing. And I think she informed me that you have the ability to change this for different reasons. I'm not quite sure. I don't remember, but I'll find out. But it's not broken. Whew. But yeah, what am I looking for? Button. The unbutton. Oh, there it is. All right, let's see. Ooh. Ah, there is a light. Let there be light, and there is light. Let there be light, and there is light. Hey. Oh my God, there is light. We have light. So we should be able to use this, I guess, when it's dark. Also, like it's getting dark here, but when it's dark also. So I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, so now I need to go find things to test it out. I try to need thread because the package just didn't come with thread. Oh yeah, there's the other little pieces. It came with like needles and this little thing, this tool that you put around. But I'm gonna go fabric shopping, and then I'm gonna go get some things to some thread so we can start this. But let there be light, and there is light. Ooh, let there be